every rivers I am told. There's France, Swig, Galtas, Harbour, Britain and Fortune Bay, and even out in St. John's they party night and day. Oh, we work all day, party all night, have a drink or two till long go the lights. There's lots of local music, it's fun to be had, and if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. They're rocking on the Avalon and around the southern shore, and up the Northern Peninsula and on to Labrador. There's schools playing walk-push, there's cars riding Maine, mainland or an islander, we party just the same. Oh, we work all day, party all night, have a drink or two till long go the lights. There's lots of local music, there's fun to be had, and if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. There's Fogo and Willingate, there's Grand Falls and Deer Lake, there's festivals and good times, even when you're at a wake. There's fun times in Corner Brook, and then there's Stephenville, 'cause if you never partied before, there you surely will. Oh, we work all day, party all night, have a drink or two till long go the lights. There's lots of local music, there's fun to be had, and if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. Now from Sing to Hollamort, Burn Islands to Road Blanche, stop and join the fun, me boys, if they get the chance. So if you've never been here before, I guess you've never been told, come in and close the door, me boys, you're letting in the cold. Oh, we work all day, party all night, have a drink or two till long go the lights. There's lots of local music, there's fun to be had, and if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. Oh, we work all day, party all night, have a drink or two till long go the lights. There's lots of local music, there's fun to be had, and if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. Oh, if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad. Oh, if you ain't a newfie, well sorry, that's too bad.
I just called to say I miss the rock. I'd love to beat the streets of Bull St. John's. If I was there at all, we'd be on the George Street crawl, taking in all the new bands on the go. Does Chessie still have the best in midnight grub? Are the boys still dropping in to Bridget's pub? How we'd stomp that floor.
control, turn left heading 340, how do you hear me? 340, loud and clear, how many? Okay, so continue left there, 330 now. 330, Melbourne. So left, of course, correcting. 10 miles from touchdown. Wheel should be down. Turn left heading 332. Slightly right, of course, correcting. On right side, correction, slightly above right side. Turn left side 330. Right square. Continue left turn 3, correct 327. We 320 at 1 3 land over. To the land of Meadow. Turn further below black bag. Below black bag, 327 at the time. Right of course correct. Turn right 329er, 2 miles from touchdown, slightly right correcting. Slightly above right side coming down. Turn right 3331. Did you copy, press copy clear? It's okay, clear away. Turn above, slightly above right side. Slightly above right side, on course 1 mile from touchdown, slightly above right side. That on our visual. Are there any steps to the visual? Roger, contact our 50 rollout over. That out, thanks, nice job.
cold Canadian waters, north from the coast of Maine. There's an island called Newfoundland, swept by snow, wind and rain. And on the island there's a village with its customs and its ways, a little town called Corner Brook, my home of childhood days. Now those childhood days were something, and carefree all the time. There's a girl in every story, and you know there's one in mine. Well, she broke my heart so often, it stays a little sore, and that's the reason I left home and can't go back no more. Where the people make a living on the land and on the sea, and there are people on the island that mean the world to me. Well, I wish I had the power to change the course of time, to live again in Newfoundland, my home of childhood time. Well, I'd love to watch the sailboats as they glide across the bay, just to see again the farmer sow the seed and cut the hay. Well, this island has no strangers, 'cause everybody is your friend. This little isle of Newfoundland, I'd sure love to see it once again. Where the people make a living on the land and on the sea, and there are people on the island that mean the world to me. Well, I wish I had the power to change the course of time, to live again in Newfoundland, my home of childhood time. Just to live